Hey guys, so this is the Hamilton Beach Programmable 6-quart slow cooker, which has both manual and program. What manual means is that you select the temperature and the time, and when the time is up, you will go to whatever temperature and time you put on the program. Just to show you guys, you turn on over here, select manual, then FlexCook, select a temperature, say low, enter, and then put a time, 2 hours. Now on this side, select high, and 1 hour. So now it starts, and when this time is up, you will go over to what's on this side. And then program, you first start back up again, select program, say you want to do low. You then select a time. Now it starts, it's 1.5 hours, and then when that time is done, it will go down to warm, to keep it warm. Then when you're done cooking and want to take this the pot out, you want to make sure you're wearing oven mitts because this gets very hot. Then once you're done with it, you want to clean it. As you can see, easy to take out, and then same for the lid. We really enjoy having this because if we feel like making us a lazy dinner, we just throw in the ingredients and let it do its work, and then we enjoy. So overall, I'll definitely recommend it.